Exploring the city, the joy of pedestrian tours. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, pedestrian tour. This phrase might sound simple, but it carries a world of meaning and cultural insights. Let's explore together what a pedestrian tour entails and why it's an interesting concept in the English language. Before we delve into the phrase, pedestrian tour, it's important to understand its components. Pedestrian refers to a person walking, especially in an area where vehicles travel. On the other hand, a tour is a journey for pleasure, often with a guide and following a set route. Combining these terms gives us a unique concept. A pedestrian tour is a guided or self-directed walk through a city, town, or historical site. Unlike tours by vehicle, these tours allow you to experience a place more intimately. You can absorb the sights, sounds, and smells of the surroundings at a leisurely pace, often learning about history, culture, and architecture along the way. One of the best parts of pedestrian tours is their accessibility and immersive experience. They are usually more affordable than other types of tours and are a great way to exercise while exploring. Pedestrian tours can take you to narrow alleys, hidden gems, and spots that vehicles can't reach, offering a deeper understanding of the place. Let's explore some famous pedestrian tours worldwide. For instance, the historic walk through Rome lets you marvel at ancient architecture. The Parisian walking tour offers a romantic stroll through the City of Lights. Each tour is unique and reflects the character of the place. We hope this video helped you understand the concept of a pedestrian tour and why it's a unique way to explore and learn about different places. Remember, next time you visit a new city or town, consider taking a pedestrian tour to truly experience the local vibe. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.